You're too small. You're not fast enough. You can't be a footballer. Stop dreaming. Be realistic. Have you heard these words? Did your family, friends, or coaches tell you this? Today I'm going to tell you something. They are wrong. 1. Who says you can't? Who tells you you can't do it? Your family? They want to protect you, but their fears hold you back. Your friends? They project their own failures onto you. Coaches? Sometimes they're wrong. They're not always right. Society? They say be realistic. But what is reality? Your belief is your reality. These people aren't bad, but their dreams are not your dreams. 2. Real stories. Cristiano Ronaldo. Poor family, born on Madeira Island. Everyone said, "You'll never be anything." What happened? He became one of the greatest footballers in history. Lionel Messi. Too small, had growth hormone deficiency. Clubs rejected him. They said, "You can't play football." What happened? He won 8 Ballon d'Or awards. Jamie Vardy. Played in amateur leagues until age 30, worked in a factory. Everyone said, "Too late, you can't do it anymore." What happened? He won the Premier League with Leicester City. He wore the England national team jersey. N'Golo Kanté. Still amateur at age 20. Nobody wanted him. They said, "Too weak, too small." What happened? He won the World Cup. He won the Champions League. They were told you can't. They didn't listen. 3. Why do they say it? Why do people say you can't? They're afraid. Your success shows their failure. They're jealous. Your courage makes them uncomfortable. They don't know. They can't see the power inside you. They want to protect you. They fear disappointment. But remember, their limits are not your limits. 4. What will you do? Now it's time to choose. First path. Listen to them. Give up. Kill your dreams. Stay safe. Second path. Ignore them. Work hard. Prove it. Win. Here's the truth. Wake up early every morning and work. When they sleep, you train. When they party, you practice. When they talk, you silently get stronger. One day they'll be shocked. One day they'll believe. One day they'll say, "I always knew you could do it." But when that day comes, their words won't matter anymore because you will have already proved it.